So how can you get the full resolution video from your iPhone to the iCloud? Let's get into it. So by default, when you have the automatic iCloud Photos backup, the photos and videos should be uploaded in the regular quality that you capture the photos and videos at. So it should be the full resolution. But there are still some things we need to clarify. So the way that it works is that your photos, if you have this feature turned on, are being automatically uploaded to the iCloud. And then when your local storage gets full, then the older photos and videos get deleted and you only get like a link to your iCloud photos as a placeholder, right? So when you are browsing your old images, you are going to notice that there is just a blurry version of that video or photo. But that is just a quick placeholder. But when you click on it and just leave it to load up, then you're gonna notice that more often than not, the video will load up in the full resolution and quality. Only the quick placeholder is in the blurry version. So this is what trips up a lot of people. So I just quickly wanted to explain that. But when it comes to specifically uploading certain photos and videos to iCloud, I personally prefer the web browser method where I just go to Safari and look up iCloud.com and go to my photos. Obviously, I need to sign in and everything, but when I get here, I can click on the upload icon in the top portion of the display, and it just allows me to just upload the videos from the gallery. And of course, it's going to be in the full resolution and everything. So this is what is important to know about. I hope that I have managed to answer your question. If there are some more thoughts or things going on with your phone, leave them below as a question in the comments. Chances are that I will cover it in one of my tutorials in the future. I publish a lot of them, so I think you should subscribe because there is most definitely something that you're going to find helpful. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching and I'll see you later in the future videos.